Today we're making a shadow box ring. I started by choosing gemstones. There are a few that might fit this project, but I am definitely tempted to pick the tourmaline, which I love. That's my old shadow box design. Here are metal supplies that we will need: sterling silver sheet around 0.5 millimeters, bezel strip, I'm using a thicker one here around 0.5 millimeter, and a patterned decorative wire for the shadow box. For ring band, I'll use a simple rectangular wire. Now I'm annealing the wire so it's softer and easier to bend. Okay, let's make a bezel for our cabochon gemstone. I'll make sure that the bezel fits snugly around the stone, not too big, not too small, and that the bottom part is flush with the surface. That's why I'm filing it down here. And now I'm going to shape the first wall for the shadow box. I'm not convinced if I will use this one, but I want to see how that looks anyway. I thought that was a bit too much, so I decided to get rid of the first wall and just add some granulation inside. And I think that looks better now, don't you think? But I'm still wondering how I should arrange the little balls inside, so I'll show you in a second after I solder this. This is the layout I'm gonna go for. it's time to make a ring band. I am just roughly measuring it here because I'm gonna cut it to size in a second. I am not making it to a specific size, that's why I can just go with whatever I end up making. I am, however, going for a slightly bigger size than usual, maybe something around 9, we'll see. I love these discs of sanding paper, they are great. I usually use coarse, medium and fine ones. They remove fire stain and honestly just clean up your silver super well. A layout jig like that helps to solder the ring band onto the back plate. It's just much easier this way. Cleaning your silver in the pickle is very important. Do it after every soldering job. You won't regret it. I'm smoothing sharp edges with this handy tool. You'll find it in the description box under the video. For the final cleanup, I'm always using 3M bristle wheel attachments. Start with the yellow one, then white, red and blue. But before I proceed with the green one for polishing, I'm going to add patina first. I am not a massive fan of the one I'm using right now, but it's still very good and it turned out pretty dark anyway. But if you can get Platino, for example, that one was amazing, so much darker. But yeah, gotta work with what we have. And now it's time to set the stone. It will be quite tricky here because spaces are pretty narrow. So I'm actually going to start using burnisher, which normally you would use for burnishing the edges, but I'm gonna use it today to close the walls around my gemstone, and then I'm gonna finish by using a hammer handpiece and just gonna set the stone this way. These Eve silicone attachments are excellent at cleaning bezel around the gemstone without damaging the stone. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!